Welcome to Woodland Power Products. This short video will show you how to assemble and install the battery for your electric start engine. You will need two 7/16" wrenches or sockets. First, attach the platform extension under the battery platform and secure it with the 2/4 20 by 3/4 inch bolts and nuts. The bolts should be facing down. Next, install the battery pack by sliding it down and under the engine. Plug the battery harness connector into the gray engine harness connector. Now you can install the front engine clamp knob and rubber washer. Tighten firmly. Instructions for charging and battery maintenance are a little further along in your owner's manual and will have its own video. Now you can move on to installing your deck hose.